move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Wilton Minors, local and long-distance movers near me. Hiring 3 movers, one of Wilton Movers' top local movers, will benefit you. Their knowledge of the neighborhood in this city will come in handy in your final decision about the part of the city you desire to move to. They will also ensure your location is completed quickly and save you an extra cost. If you desire to hire a professional local mover to ride your relocation truck within Wilton Manors, do not hesitate to contact them and get connected with a skilled driver to handle that. While local movers facilitate moving within 100 miles, long-distance movers will efficiently handle your relocation across the country, state, or even country. Efficient Wilton Manors long-distance movers will also ensure the safe relocation of your items overseas. 3 Movers carries our long-distance relocation for clients in Wilton Manors. They have the appropriate license to conduct such a move and are known to save their clients the extra customs charges if their move requires the payment of custom charges. 3 Movers are covered by insurance. This means that your properties will not only be handled by moving experts, but also their team members, and they are also insured, and thus you can rest assured that your belongings will arrive at your destination safely and intact. They offer pricing quotes for long-distance moving ascertained by the moving distance and the items you are moving alongside. You do not need to fret about this because they can work with your budget to deliver an exceptional move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Wilton Manors moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.